This is Spanish 2, sentences 97 through 100. 97. They were speaking to us. Ellos nos hablaban. Ellos nos hablaban. 98. I ate many tacos at Anita's party. Yo comí muchos tacos en la fiesta de Anita. Yo comí muchos tacos en la fiesta de Anita. 99. Adela saw us. Adela nos vio. Adela nos vio. And 100. I always spoke to them. Yo siempre les hablaba. Yo siempre les hablaba. All right, they were speaking to us. Notice, were speaking. If it's past tense and ing, remember, it's imperfect. If it's an AR verb, it's going to turn into aba. If it's an ER verb or an IR verb, it's going to turn into ia. All right, so ellos nos hablaban. Now, that could be translated, they always spoke to us, because it's repeated, or they were speaking to us. If you want to stress they were speaking more clearly, you can say nos estaban hablando. Literally, to us they were speaking. Okay? But either one is fine. Now, yesterday I ate many tacos. Mr. Holt, it ends in one letter. I am so confused. Sometimes it ends in one letter. Comí, viví. Sometimes it ends in lots of letters. Comía, vivía. The difference is preterite or imperfect. If you want to go back and review those clips. But remember, if you can past tense is imperfect. Past tense is aba ia. The only time you use one letter is if you can logically insert the phrase one time and one time only. Like, when I was at Paco's house, I ate a green lobster one time. Or I slipped and fell and broke my ankle one time. Can you say, one time I ate a lot of tacos at Anita's party? Yes, so it's one letter, comí. And notice, there's no such thing as an apostrophe S in Spanish. A Spanish person would look at that and assume it's an accent mark. So you don't say Anita's party, you say the party of Anita. Now, Adela saw us. Mr. Holt, I don't understand. Why doesn't Fio have an accent? I thought the yo form and the he form had an accent. But remember that chant. Ir, ser, dar, ver. No accents anywhere. Ir, ser, dar, ver. No accents anywhere. I've got a nice clip on that if you want to watch that. Now, nos is tricky. Nos means us, to us, ourselves, or for us. All right. Now, don't get nos, which is us or to us, confused with nosotros, which is we, or nuestro, which is our. I've got a clip talking about nos, nuestro, and nosotros. All right. Now notice, it's backwards too. In English we say, Adela saw us. In Spanish you say, us she saw. Okay? In English you say, they were speaking to us. In Spanish you say, to us they were speaking. Because remember, Spanish is always backwards. Now, if you say, I spoke to them once, you'd say, yo les hablé, and it would end in one letter. Because remember, if it ends in an E, it was done by me once. If it ends in an O, it was done by Joe once. But I always spoke to them. So you add several letters. So, hablaba. Now, if you said, yo siempre les hablaba, it could be translated two ways. It could be translated, I always spoke to them, or I was always speaking to them. So remember, aba can mean always or ing in the past tense. That is Spanish 2, sentences 97 through 100.